the skill and precision behind every truck journey. Have you ever wondered what it's really like to sit behind the wheel of a massive truck? From the driver's seat, every kilometer is a challenge that demands skill, patience, and complete focus. These powerful machines may look effortless on the road, but every turn, every hill, and every tight corner requires experience and confidence. As the journey begins, the truck rolls smoothly through winding roads and beautiful landscapes. The driver's hands remain steady on the steering wheel, constantly making small adjustments to keep the vehicle perfectly under control. Driving a heavy truck isn't just about moving cargo from one place to another. It's about understanding the size and weight of the vehicle, reading the road ahead, and making smart decisions every second. Watch how carefully the driver approaches narrow sections of the road. Every movement is calculated. The mirrors are constantly checked, the speed is controlled, and every maneuver is performed with precision. The view from inside the cab gives us a unique perspective that most people never get to experience. From this seat, the world looks completely different. Every bridge, every curve, and every passing vehicle becomes part of an incredible driving adventure. Modern trucks are equipped with advanced technology, including GPS navigation, digital dashboards, safety systems, and powerful engines designed to handle long-distance journeys. But even with all this technology, nothing can replace the experience and concentration of a skilled driver. As the road changes, the driver adapts instantly. Whether climbing steep hills, descending carefully, or navigating through small towns, every situation demands attention and professionalism. Truck drivers play an essential role in our daily lives. Nearly everything we use, from food and medicine to furniture and electronics, has traveled on a truck at some point before reaching us. Without these professionals, stores would be empty, factories would stop, and countless businesses would come to a halt. Long hours on the road require endurance, discipline, and dedication. Drivers often spend days away from home, facing different weather conditions, traffic, and unexpected obstacles while ensuring their cargo arrives safely and on time. Watching this journey reminds us just how impressive these machines really are. Their size, power, and engineering are remarkable, but it's the person behind the wheel who truly makes every trip successful. Every safe arrival is the result of thousands of small decisions made throughout the journey. As the truck continues down the road, the scenery changes, but the mission remains the same. Drive safely, protect the cargo, and reach the destination without incident. If you enjoy watching incredible truck journeys like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which part of the drive impressed you the most. Thanks for riding along, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Articulated Lori.